Let's make this Halloween wall sconce. Okay, so I have this right here. This comes from Dollar Tree. It's just a little plastic skull. This comes in different colors too, but I picked this one right here because I knew the light would shine through it best. But the plastic isn't really thick, so you can get one of the colored ones and probably achieve the same effect. So first, I just cut a little slit in there so that I can get my scissors in. And I'm just going to cut part of this. I'm not cutting it in half, but just the back end of the skull off so that it can lay flat. I just eyeballed it how I did it around, but you can trace out something and make sure yours is nice and flat. And then once that was done, that is really the major part of this right here. So I made sure that it was able to lay flat. And then I have these little faux lights from Dollar Tree. So they come in a pack of three and then they flicker kind of like a candle. You can get a solid light if you want. I think the flickering is great. So then to hang this, you can attach like a cute little rope or something and then just hang it by a nail. I'm going to hang mine with hooks. I didn't have any more clear hooks. So I was going to try to use this suction one, but it didn't stick to the wall. So I ended up using the white hook, or you could just hang it on a nail. But this is how it looks when the room is lit. And then this is how it looks when the lights are out. And I think both ways it looks so cute and just perfect and simple for Halloween. You don't have to do much, and it's only $1.25. So if you like, give it a big old thumbs up.